With AI, you can generate income. Anyone may use it to create material, like as blog entries, videos, and online courses, that they can then sell to businesses or distribute online to make money. You can start with the AI tools that are used to create content. These days, artificial intelligence, AI, is such a hot issue that many people are interested in how to profit from AI. A media frenzy is being caused by the public release of the hugely popular ChatGPT and the significant investment made by enterprises in AI technology. While many people fear that AI will soon replace them in their employment, others desire to use its potential for financial gain. There are more opportunities to monetize AI as it grows more prevalent in our daily lives. Here are 6 potential ways to profit from AI. 1. Produce written AI material. Anyone can swiftly produce textual material thanks to generative AI tools like ChatGPT. It can help with creating content for websites, blogs, business sales materials, sponsored social media posts, and more. 2. Produce artwork using AI. Anyone may write prompts that generate images thanks to AI technologies like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney. The AI can produce better photographs the more specific a request you provide. You may locate and make these prompts as well as list and sell them on websites like PromptBase. 3. Produce videos for YouTube. Anyone may produce films for YouTube using AI techniques in order to advertise or sell a good or service. ChatGPT features a text-to-speech tool that may be used to add a voiceover to videos as well as produce ideas and scripts for videos. While waiting, you can create YouTube videos using tools like Synthesia. 4. Create digital visual products using AI. Additionally, AI can be used to create a variety of digital visual assets, including marketing materials, website digital adverts, and logos for businesses. You may use AI to create social media content and advertisements that you can sell to companies using tools like AdCreative.ai. 5. Build websites. AI tools can help you build websites. You can build websites for small business clients or create them for yourself to produce income from affiliated marketing, ads, or subscription sales. Website building tools like Wix.com can help anyone create a professional-looking website. 6. Produce audio AI material. Through text-to-speech capabilities, AI may assist in producing a variety of audio content. An audiobook script can be written using AI prompts, and the audio can be produced using a text-to-speech program. Links in the description.